education would be my top priority. Education gives people the tools to succeed, create, and understand others with compassion and wisdom. Education will open opportunities in the mind of anyone willing to learn and prepare them to take advantage of opportunities when they present themselves. With better education, communication will improve. This is critical to my plan for a better world for all. Breaking down language barriers, dialects, and old habits of fear are so very important for us to live in the world. I will fund educational institutions, teachers, programs, and resources. There will be no budget cuts in my educational programs. Teachers and the parents must shoulder the responsibility so all students can write and read and communicate ideas, solutions, and a better understanding between themselves without fear of ridicule or harm. No matter how much money, oil, or resources we give people, unless they are educated, they will allow them to build and use what is given to them in a way that benefits all. All that we give them will be in vain. Only after people are educated and healthy can they take advantage of their resources. Opportunities available. When it would be to build a drug-free culture, a better ecosystem, better energy resources, compete as an athlete, serve their country, or sing and dance for all they enjoy. Millions of dollars, tanks, and guns are not the answer. Education is. Education must come first. Through education, health, and fitness will be valued and understood. A strong body helps and supports the brain, instills personal confidence, and makes everyone's quality of life better. Education and health will work in unison to build a better world for all. I will promote and fund the arts in a way that inspires people to observe everything from all angles. I want people to dance and rejoice, to live life and move forward and let no roadblocks stop them. I will lead the way that allows them to overcome any obstacle, to display images that inspires and gives, to explode imagination. I would create things such as second chance colleges that give everyone a second chance. I would inspire people and remind them sometimes you have a bad day, and that time stops for no one. Just because you drove a Chevy to a levee and it was dry doesn't mean the next one will be. So be prepared when the next opportunity pops up. That would be my motto. Last, I would emphasize that life isn't always easy, but the world can be what you make it. At our school, every morning, kids have a choice. Make it a great day or not, no choice is yours. Life's like a box of crowns. You can make it colorful or it can be black and white. Do what you must to live life to the fullest. As Commander of the Free World, I will give you the resources and support necessary to educate anyone willing to learn. You must realize that education and good health are the first steps to building and changing the world for the good of all.